So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sugar Spa. So today we'll be trying this Atsu popcorn. It's actually a microwave popcorn. So we'll be trying it using a gas to see if we can actually pop this cone. If this cone will actually pop for us. So let's just give it a try. Actually, it's actually an experiment. So if it did not come out nicely, please don't crucify me. I just wanted to give it a try to see if it will actually pop. So it's a microwave popcorn, but I just want to use gas and see if it will try. What if there is no what's it called? What if there is no microwave? It doesn't mean that we will not chop popcorn. So now let's give it a try, guys. So this is this. I'll unwrap it. So let's dive into today's video. Seriously, it's funny actually. I just wanted to give this stuff a try. So guys, this is it. Let's get started. Okay. So here is our Atsu popcorn. Okay, so it has started melting. So guys, can you see it? It's actually popping. So let's see if it actually pop very well for us, like the same way it does using the microwave. Let's see if we'll actually get the same results using a gas cooker. Can you hear the sound? Guys, can you hear the sound? So it has stopped popping. So can you see the wonders? Wow, like wow. Are you seeing it? So let's see. It's hot though. Like it's very very hot. It is very. You see the lovely color of our popcorn. It's nice. So let's see. It's hot though. The paper bag is hot. Like oh my goodness. I told ya. So in case if you don't have a microwave in the house, you can actually make use of your gas to pop this corn. So can you see Ati popcorn? Mm, very very nice. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel because I'll be bringing like different content for you guys to learn, watch, relax with your loved ones. Don't forget, please leave your notification bell on so whenever I upload a new and interesting video like this one, because I always do. So there is our popcorn. Our two popcorn. It's actually a microwave popcorn, but we tried it using a gas. So yeah, is it? You can actually use a stove as well. It's not a must, it has to be a microwave. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, this baby girl here loves you, but God loves you more.